you should try making a grilled cheese with Brunost. Oh, that sounds like a terrible idea. Let's go do it. Right. This is the brown cheese that I got. I don't know if that's the right one or not. I never know, but this is what we're going to use. Yeah. I'm going to be putting some of this on as well. All right, we're going to melt this some. We're going to coat the bread. Now, if I was making a grilled cheese sandwich, like for real, with cheddar or whatever other kind of cheese, I would do like 3. I'm gonna put 3 slices there. Boom. Has anyone else ever done this before? Or am I the first person in history to do a grilled cheese with Brunost? Right, it's melting in there. Okay, it's all done. It's, you know, I don't know if it's gonna be good. We're gonna try it. That's not bad. Why does that taste good? It's gotta be the butter. I've made 2 other brown cheese videos. No, but this right here though. Oh, I've unlocked a new cheat code. Oh man. Yo. Let's go. Yo, rumpa klaskeren. Rumpa klaskeren. Okay. Dude, let's go. And just so you guys know, I'm serious. I'm not playing around. This ain't just for the camera. This is really good. Oh my goodness. Yo, did you guys know that brown cheese is good? Brunost for the win, though. Why is this so good? Is it a different kind of Brunost? Why is this so much better than the last 2 times I had? I don't know. I don't want to question it. I'm just gonna eat it. Look, yeah, that's half gone. I really actually like this. Okay, well, experiment completed. I'm gonna finish this and eat, but tell me in the comments if you've ever had a grilled cheese Brunost, a grilled Brunost sandwich. This is really good.